The Lincoln Wheat Cent series, designed by Victor David Brenner and introduced in 1909, represents one of the most widely collected coin series in United States history, containing specific key dates and mint varieties that command exceptional interest among modern numismatists. The first critical issue every collector inspects is the legendary 1909 SVDB Lincoln Cent, struck at the San Francisco Mint during the inaugural production year before public controversy over Brenner's prominent initials on the reverse led to their prompt removal. To authenticate a genuine 1909 SVDB under optical magnification, direct your focus to the lower reverse field between the wheat stalk tips where the three raised letters V, D, and B sit clearly defined, while on the obverse, the small s mint mark must exhibit distinct, square-shaped serifs positioned precisely below the date without any evidence of altered field surfaces or secondary metal application. Moving to the second key issue, the 1914 D Lincoln Cent stands as a major Denver Mint key date with a total production of only 1,193,000 pieces. Because many circulated pennies from this era show heavy surface friction, genuine 1914 D specimens are identified by inspecting the distance between the digit 1 and the 4 in the date, along with verifying the exact tilt and position of the D mint mark, which must sit cleanly below the date without tool marks or die distortion. The third key issue is the famous 1922 no mint mark variety, created when heavily worn coining dies at the Denver facility were aggressively polished to remove clashing marks, accidentally erasing the D mint mark entirely on specific die pairs. When examining a genuine 1922 plain variety, look for die pair 2, which features a sharp 1922 date paired with a strong reverse strike where the wheat stalk details remain remarkably crisp despite the missing obverse mint mark. The fourth ultra-rare issue is the legendary 1931 S Lincoln Cent, which carries the second lowest mintage in the entire regular issue wheat cent series with only 866,000 coins struck during the economic contraction of the early 1930s. Identifying a high-grade 1931 S requires inspecting the obverse field for original red copper luster and examining the S mint mark under 10-power magnification to confirm crisp, raised contours surrounded by smooth metal flow lines. The fifth and final issue in this elite lineup is the legendary 1943 copper Lincoln Cent, an off-metal planchet error created when a small quantity of leftover 1942 bronze planchets were accidentally fed into coining presses during the transition to zinc-coated steel pennies. To verify an authentic 1943 copper cent, conduct two non-destructive tests. First, apply a soft magnet to ensure the coin does not stick, as genuine copper planchets are non-magnetic, and second, place the coin on a calibrated digital analytical scale to verify an exact standard weight of 3.11 grams compared to the lighter 2.7 gram weight of zinc-coated steel issues. Across all 5 of these key varieties, verifying physical planchet weight, metallic purity, and mint mark position through official third-party grading services remains the absolute safest path for total authentication and precise technical evaluation.